Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite beef stew recipe. So to make the beef stew, I'll be using onion, carrots, and celery. I'll also be using a little bit of fresh herbs, some tomato paste, a little bit of flour. I'm going to use mushrooms, russet potatoes, cubed beef, a little bit of garlic, and red wine. So to get started, I'll season all of my meat with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. And I don't know where you guys live, but I live in Texas, and it literally went from like 80 degrees to 40 degrees overnight. Yeah, it got really cold all of a sudden. And it may be 40 degrees is not cold for you, but for us, that's pretty darn cold. It's not going to stop me from making this beef stew. I know good and well it's probably going to be 80 degrees again within the next 3 days. After I'm done seasoning the meat, I take about 1/4 cup of flour, and I'm just going to toss the meat in the flour, and then I'll go ahead and sear it. Now I'm just going to sear all the meat, and I'm going to do it in batches to prevent it from steaming. Once I'm done searing all the meat, I set it aside on a plate, and then I'll go ahead and start sauteing all of my vegetables. As my vegetables cook, I take my wooden spoon and I just scrape all those brown bits from the bottom of my pot. I want to make sure that I incorporate all of that flavor into my sauce. Next, I add in my mushrooms and I'll saute those for a few minutes before I follow up and add in my garlic and tomato paste. And I'm only going to cook my garlic and tomato paste down for about 1 minute. Then I'll add in my red wine to deglaze. Now I'm going to add in my water, but you can use chicken stock. I don't think it's necessary at all. This beef stew is so good, it's not going to lack any flavor because we've put so much flavor into it already. Next, I add in all the beef and my fresh herbs, and then it's going to cook for about 30 minutes covered until the beef is tender. Then I add in my potatoes and I'll cook them for about 20 minutes or until they're done. There you have it, guys, a beautiful hearty beef stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.